Hi, welcome back to my channel. That was a preview of what is going to happen next. Today I will be showing you all the things I got from Ikea to reorganize my nail collection. And if you haven't watched part 1 of this series, click on the link above to check it out.
Okay, so first off, we will be building this new light. So I find that a lot of my videos isn't bright enough, so I'm getting a new light with a new light bulb that has all these different colors, and then we're gonna be testing it out. So let's get started. Oh, I just realized there's an instruction manual for this. Looks like I've been correct so far. Okay. Okay, wow, the base is really heavy. Is set up. Okay, that took 5 minutes. Pretty easy to set up. Gotta make sure this is tight though. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I got this whiz bulb. It allows me to change warm light to daylight, and it works with Google Assistant. So depending on the day, the time of day I'm going to be filming, I'm going to be adjusting this light, hopefully. Hopefully this works. I'm gonna be opening it and installing the app on my phone. So this is quite expensive. One bulb is, let's see. One bulb is $17.97 plus tax is $20.30 for one. Okay, we have no light bulb for now because this needs an Ikea bulb. So we cannot be testing this out until a later date. So I will be building this now. So I guess that's how they get the money. They sell you a cheap light. You know, you always have to go back there to buy the bulb. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was not good. Should have like put a mat on here. Dude, this Ikea stuff is gonna kill my floors. This is what's bad about building by yourself. Let me see. Why is one side straight and one side is not? Oh, I know why. Oh my god. cart. Now it's a nail cart. I was looking for all over Ikea. It took me a long time to find this. This doesn't need building, so I'm just gonna unpack it. Now it's time to reorganize.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy watching videos about nails and my self-taught nail art journey, please like and subscribe my channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time.